Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having best-in-class fuel economy with popular features with these ratings. Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2022 Accord. Ingeniously simple, yet overflowing with luxury and technological creativity. All that and more in the Accord. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated side mirrors, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights, mirror memory, FWD, headlights auto off, security system, cruise control. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.